This is the video for my L_main menu and my WBP_main menu, which function both the same purpose. To begin with, I'll be going over WBP_main menu. Now, starting with the on-clicked bit here, this ends up leading into place sound 2D, which leads into a node called delay, which has a 0.3 delay on it to allow the sound to play before the loading menu pops up. Next, it goes into the remove from parent, which removes the main menu before going into the create WBP widget. The widget is a loading widget that has no menus on and serves the purpose of loading the level in the background. After that, it goes into an add to viewport, which adds it to the screen before going into another delay that has a 1-second countdown on it. After that, it goes into the show mouse cursor boolean, which is connected to the get player controller, so it can disable the mouse cursor on the UI mode before going into a game mode only that sets it to the mode needed to play the game. Then it goes to an open level before adding another delay on to finish loading, to then go into a remove from parent so it can be removed from the screen, and then an add to viewport to show the game. Next is my story on clicked, which, when that action happens, removes the main menu widget from parent before going into a create story widget, which has the get player controller before then being added to viewport. This last one is self-explanatory, but when the exit button is clicked, it exits the game. Now let's move on to the level main menu blueprints, which are also self-explanatory if you've been following along. First, we use the event begin play node to connect up to the next node, which is a set input mode UI only, which is connected to the player controller. After, it goes into a show mouse cursor, which is set as true while also being connected to the get player controller. It then moves on to create the main menu widget, which is a create widget node set with the WBP_main menu. After that, it goes into the add to viewport before it then goes into the play sound 2D, which is a sound cue which I'll show now.